Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Motorola smartphone to Xiaomi Mi 10, for the first you have to go to the Google Play Store on your Motorola, click on the search, and right here you have to type the CLONEit. This is the application that we are going to use to transfer data. I recommend you this one because it's totally free and really easy to use. And right now we are waiting, and we can open this application on Mi 10. Click right here all at once and open on your Motorola. Click allow 2 times. Yes, I agree. Right now click sender on the Motorola, tap on the allow again, and click receiver on your Xiaomi Mi 10 and set the location and go back, click receiver again and tap on the search again. And right now to connect we have to click on this Android share icon 7421. And as you can see, we can connect through the 2 ways. The first one is to scan QR code and the second is to input the password, and the password you can find here. So I'm gonna scan QR code. Accept request on the Motorola. And right now, if you want to take everything from Motorola to your Mi 10, click on all of these icons and click on the start. But it is only an example, so I'm gonna unselect it and I'm going below for the details. I'll go for the photos and I will take these 2 photos. Tap on the start, OK, and it's finished. As you can see guys, this is working, so thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and of course subscribe to our channel.